Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about having textures in your UI. So most of the UI that I design has is very straightforward. It's most likely this black text on like white backgrounds. It's very professional. It's very modern, flat. But when you use textures like this in your UI, it does make it a little bit more fun, I guess. Yeah, fun. So, but there are some rules when using these kind of textures in your UI. First one is you still have to use like a black font. So this is like a yellowish tinted background that I'm using here, and an yellow icon with some like teal, bluish teal colors here. But I'm still using like very warm gray rather than a colder gray. I'm using very warm gray because it's tempting to use just a yellow color for this. Maybe I'll show you. Maybe we can go with an yellow like this for this UI. But again, that's not a very good choice because you have to still use like very grayed out colors even if you are busy with your UI. So even if you have textures like this, icons like this, with lots of textures, you still have to follow the gray rule because your UI should be like 90% gray and everything should be like accent colors, primary colors, and then. But if you have something like this, ignore the background. Your background can have an image or a texture, something like this. Other than that, all the other text elements should be again be 90% gray. But if you're going for a yellow warmer tone like this, you can choose a warmer gray. And if you are going with maybe a bluer color, you can choose a colder gray. But yeah, even if you're going with lots of textures, try going with same colors that you know, and it will look even better. So yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.